The TT3 machine has a double capacity with 2 packaging material reels on each side of the machine. This great advantage of the TT3 makes it possible to clean or change filling on one side of the machine without ever having to stop production on the other. An automatic splicing unit handles the changeover from one reel to another. Packages formed around the splice are automatically discarded. A strip applicator applies a plastic strip, the LS strip, around the edge of the package material to prevent moisture from penetrating into the paperboard. The package material is cut into sheets and folded to sleeves in a continuous process. The sleeves are sealed longitudinally by heating and bonding the LS strip under pressure. The packages move on to a lid-forming unit, where the lids are injection molded to the upper end of the package. Polyethylene is injected at high pressure onto both sides of the carton sleeve. The unit is sealed and water-cooled to provide a sturdy, leak-proof joint that produces lids that are consistent in quality and thickness. The packages are taken from the lid-forming unit mandrels into the cap application unit's magazine. The melted plastic in the lids is stabilized and cooled down. Thereafter, the packages are taken from the magazine into the capping position. A cap is delivered from the cap feed and put on the lid by the cap applicator. The cap handling inside the machine is done in a HEPA-filtered environment. After caps have been placed on the packages, they enter the hygienic chamber, which has a defined flow of HEPA-filtered air to prevent contamination from the surrounding environment. In the first step of the hygienic chamber, the packages are sprayed with 1% hydrogen peroxide solution. In the second step, the packages are exposed to high-energy UV light. The final extended hygiene step is to remove any eventually peroxide residue by using hot HEPA-filtered air. When the package has passed through the hygienic chamber, a servo-assisted piston pump measures and portions the filling product from the package's open bottom end. The filling pipe is surrounded by HEPA-filtered air during filling. Package bottoms are ultrasonically sealed to create a leak-proof joint. Hot air melts the polyethylene surface of the bottom flaps, which are then folded flat and sealed. A gripper removes the package from its cassette and places it on the discharge conveyor belt. The Tetra top packages are now about to move on to retailers and consumers.